If you see the message, this request comes from the app Chrome exe by Google LLC. It usually appears when a website or app is trying to open something through your browser, especially Google Chrome. It's not always an error, but it can be confusing. Here is a simple explanation and how to fix it. This message means your system is confirming that the request is coming from Chrome. It often happens when you click a link that opens another app like WhatsApp, Web, Zoom or YouTube. Sometimes it appears because a permission settings, browser extension or security check in Windows. To fix it, first make sure your Chrome browser is updated. Open Chrome. Go to Settings. Click About and install any updates. Outdated version can cause usual prompt. Next, check your browser extension. Too many unknown extensions can interface with request. Disable unnecessary one and restart Chrome. Also try clearing browsing data. Go to Settings and click Privacy. Then click Clear Browsing Data and remove cache and cookies. This can solve many temporary issues. If Chrome keeps asking for Windows Hello Pin, finger or face, when you try to view or autofill password, you can turn off this feature. It is built into Google Chrome and uses Windows Hello Pin for extra security, but you can disable it if you prefer. Step to disable Windows Hello for Chrome password. Open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Click Autofill and Password. Select Chrome Password Manager. Click Settings. Find the option Windows Hello Pin when finding password. Turn off this option. If the problem continues, restart your computer or reinstall Chrome completely. In most cases, this message is harmless, but it happens repeatedly without reason. It's best to review browser settings and install apps for safely. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.